Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today on Mel's Random World, we are going to be making Do You Even Lift Bro Epsom Salt Bombs. This one's been very popular, originally made for my Do You Even Lift Bro men's line, but a lot of girls like them as well. It's made using Nurture Soap's 7 Isles Fragrance Oil, Epsom Salts, a little bit of Poly 80 so that the mic won't stick to your tub, a little bit of colorant. Today we are going to use a Bath Bomb Blue and Pewter Silver Mica from Brambleberry. We're also going to use that handy little scoop that I talked about in my last video. And let's get things set up. First thing you're going to want to do is take and go through your Epsom salt. We have 4 cups here total, but we're doing 2 colors. So we have 2 cups in one pan and 2 cups in another. But you want to go through and break up any clumps you may have. Next you have 4 tablespoons of baking soda. And again, you're going to mix that up. 2 into each one. But you're going to want to sift it. You want this as fine as possible. You don't want any big clumps in there either. Once that's sifted, give them a good mix. Next, you want some fun color in there. So that's where I'm going to take my little spoon. I'm going to take about, I'm going to start with about half a teaspoon of colorant. I'm going to use a little 1/4 teaspoon here because it's smaller and fits in the jar better. And you don't want to ring around the tub. So when we get to our liquid ingredients, that's why we're going to add a little bit of Polysorbate 80. And what that does is mixes with any oils or micas so that it disperses through the water and doesn't sit in your tub and make it messy. Now we see this has already colored the salts very nicely. So now we're going to move on to our blue colorant. This one is also from Brambleberry. We're going to use blue mica. This one's very pretty. It turns out like a sky blue. So you really want to make sure you get under there so that it picks up the baking soda as well. Now the reason you put the baking soda in, not only is it softens the bath, but it also will bind everything together. Okay, so we're going to set those to the side. So here I have 4 tablespoons of distilled water. To that, we're going to add 1 pipette of Polysorbate 80. That way it won't stick to the tub. Now this is very thick, so you may have to get the spoon out. There we go. And then we're going to take another pipette. We're going to put in 2 doses of 2.5 doses of the fragrance oil. Because we want to make sure that everybody smells really nice after the gym. And then you can take a spoon or have a little metal chopstick and just mix everything all together. Now's the fun part. You take and mix this all together. You can use your spoon or you can use gloves, but you want to make sure everything is really wet. With this, the wetter the better. You don't want it too dry. If it's too dry, it won't stick in your mold. And the mold we're using for this is a handy little mooncake press. I just got these off of Amazon. And they come with different little press designs. They're very handy. They make beautiful bath bombs as well. So what we did before this is we halved our liquid mixture. We poured half in one and half in the other. So at this point, there's all kinds of things you can put in there. You can add mica for shimmer. You can add a little bit of the bio glitter. Since we're keeping this for guys, I'm not going to add glitter. Although there are some guys that like glitter, and that's totally cool. But we're not going to for this batch. Okay. So when it looks like icy, slurpy, melty ice, you know you're good. So that's when you, just like this little guy. And I like to make a little pattern. So I'll put half in one, and do a little bit on the other side, and I'll just kind of alternate. And you don't want to overpack these. You just want to loosely pack them. So like that. And then you take them over to your parchment paper. And very carefully, just tip them over. Make a little scoopage out. Press it down a couple times so that there's a pattern on the top. And then you can very gently just lift straight up. And you'll get your Epsom balm.
So this recipe makes about 7 1/4 bombs. They'll be very fragile and mushy for the first few hours, so make sure they're set aside somewhere safe. But don't you worry, once they are dry and set, they are very firm little cakes. These are great for anyone who goes to the gym, thinks about going to the gym, or heck, anyone named Jim. Great for anyone in their feet a bunch as well, or if you just want to relax those muscles. Just pop one into the warm tub, it'll dissolve and you can relax. These are also amazing soaks before bedtime with a little lavender or cedar oil, your favorite candles, a hair mask, and a face mask. Okay, I'm almost relaxed now. Oh, the possibilities are endless. So we are also on Facebook and Instagram at Sweet Geek Retro Chic and Mel's Random World. Stay tuned for more gifts, ideas for him and her. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. Comment if you want to see something else or if you want to see more bath bomb ideas. Don't forget to hit the notification bell when we upload because you never know if it's going to be some random time. And thanks for watching.